For Humans to Know by Maitreya Maitreyyan. Chapter 6. Birth, Death, and Sex. Everything that is born will die. It sounds absolute, unquestionable. But what if death isn't as universal as we believe? Single-celled organisms don't grow old and die. They simply divide into two. Unless they're killed by something external, they can, in theory, live forever. In principle, such organisms could live indefinitely. Even in multicellular life, this challenges the idea of a distinct life force that enters at birth and leaves at death. A hibiscus plant can be cut and replanted to grow into a new, healthy plant that continues living even if the original plant dies. This shows that life does not depend on a transferable, independent force such as a soul. Death, as we understand it, is an evolutionary strategy. In multicellular organisms, cells undergo wear and tear over time, leading to aging and eventual death. However, not all complex organisms age in the same way. Crocodiles, for example, show negligible senescence. They keep growing and usually die from accidents, disease, or predation rather than biological aging. To overcome the limitations of death, complex organisms evolved sexual reproduction. By combining genetic material from two individuals, sexual reproduction creates diversity within a species, which improves adaptability and long-term survival. Reproduction allows genetic information to continue beyond an individual's lifespan, explaining why humans place such importance on children and grandchildren. They represent continuity beyond death. Sex and death are therefore closely linked evolutionary strategies. While cloning allows reproduction without a partner, it carries serious risks. A population of genetically identical organisms is highly vulnerable to disease, as a single virus or bacterium can wipe out all individuals. Sexual reproduction, by contrast, produces genetic variation, making populations more resistant to infections and environmental challenges. Thus, sexual reproduction has been crucial to the success of complex life. The pleasure associated with sex is not accidental, but an evolutionary incentive that ensures organisms continue to reproduce. Sex is therefore not merely about enjoyment. It is a powerful biological strategy that promotes diversity, resilience, and survival. Like, comment, and subscribe.